I'm in a forest with these two deer. There might be a few more. Including this one that's running over. Hi. So, this is how I want to spend my Christmas. In nature. With kind and gentle animals who don't care. They don't care size, they don't care color, shape. They don't care. This one apparently doesn't like peanuts. Maybe these two do. But nonetheless, this is how I want my Christmas. This is Christmas. Spending it in nature. Spending it with creatures that God created. And all the beauty. Peaceful. Quiet. Away from everything else. With the buck. I'm just enjoying the serenity. So, Merry Christmas to everyone. Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas to my little deer friend who doesn't like what I give it to eat but still follows me. Merry Christmas. Amen.